Wait, this started as just cream and turned into this garlic herb butter? Hey, welcome back to Simply Food Recipes. Today we are making homemade garlic herb butter from scratch. Start by pouring heavy cream into your mixer. We tried using the full 64 ounces at once. Bad idea. Honestly, start with about 32 and add more later, unless you have a really big bowl or you want heavy cream all over your kitchen. After a few minutes, you will get a beautiful whipped cream, but don't stop here. Keep mixing and you will see it start to split. That's the butter separating from the buttermilk. So now you can clearly see the butter and the buttermilk separated. Now strain everything through a cheesecloth. Just lay it over a strainer, pour it in and gather the corners to squeeze it out. Don't throw away that buttermilk, it's actually really good for cooking or even just drinking. Now we rinse the butter in cold water, about 3 times. You will see the water getting clearer each time. If you skip this step, the butter won't have the right texture or shelf life. By the way, have you ever tried making butter at home? When it's clean, squeeze out as much water as you can. Now for the flavor. Finely chop your herbs. Fresh is definitely best here, but dried works too if that's what you have. Just peel your garlic. And grate it straight into the butter. Or wrong side. There we go. We usually use a small handheld grater for this. It just goes straight into the bowl. And add salt to taste. Then just mix everything together. Gloves or clean hands both work. We are using gloves because the butter sticks a lot and this is just easier. Transfer it into a container and keep it in the fridge. From about 64 ounces of cream, we got roughly a pound of butter. Not the cheapest way to make a butter, but it tastes amazing. It's perfect on fresh bread, baguette, crackers, or whatever you like. This butter is so good, you honestly won't even miss meat, but with fresh veggies it's amazing too. Honestly, once you try this, store-bought butter feels kinda boring. If you like simple homemade recipes like this, don't forget to like, share and follow for more.